In this video I will show that how to take withdraw from Timewall to freecash, or you can say it, how to withdraw from Timewall. More I will show you withdrawal proof. But before we begin, make sure you have subscribed to my channel and clicked the bell notification so you do not miss any of my future videos. Let's move to the screen to dive into more details and learn further. So log into your Timewall account from which you wish to withdraw your cash. When you click on the Withdraw tab, a new page will open up right in front of you, just as you clicked on the Withdraw tab. Take a look at my previous withdrawals, and here you can see my approved points. Additionally, you can also check out my conversion coins right here. Also, please check my freecash account balance before making the withdrawal. It currently stands at $1.51. Now, let's head over to the Timewall account and check my approved points and conversion coins. Do you recall the freecash account balance I showed you just a short while ago? Now I clicked on the Withdraw button to transfer 548 coins to freecash.com. Timewall says, "Are you sure you want to withdraw 548 coins to freecash.com?" I clicked OK. Wow, my withdrawal has been successfully completed. You can take a look at the withdrawal history for confirmation. My conversion coins have reached 0, and there's a message displayed below. You can check the notifications for more details. I have gone back to the previous page of freecash account, and indeed, the account balance has increased. It's now at $2.06. I see that there's also a notification that provides all the details of this withdrawal or transfer. This is today's video. You saw. Thanks for watching.